After almost 8 months in the Supreme Court, the Chief Prosecutor, John McGuinness QC, spent 3 hours this morning delivering his closing arguments. The Silk said it was impossible to summarise all of the witnesses, all of the evidence, or all of the issues of fact in this trial. Speaking to the charge of conspiracy to defraud, Mr. McGuinness submitted the defendants had a system in place from July 2004. For years, it's alleged, they made it a habit of taking clients' monies and later putting them back without the clients knowing. The former senior partner, Isaac Marrache, denied knowledge of what was happening to client monies till a few months before the law firm collapsed in February 2010, claiming he was in the UK and out of the loop. Indeed, the prosecution told the Supreme Court today that a repeated theme in Isaac Marrache's defence is that he either didn't see or didn't read incriminating emails. This, said Mr. McGuinness, was simply not credible. The Silk said Benjamin Marrache's unguarded and incriminating comments to his sister on the secretly recorded and infamous Rebecca tapes must come much closer to the truth than any live evidence he gave in court. Mr. McGuinness admitted that Benjamin Marrache, the former managing partner of the firm, used the Marrache Co client and office accounts as if they were his own personal accounts. Mr. McGuinness argued that Solomon Marrache was anything but a mere employee overseeing the firm's many financial transactions. He was the most senior person at Marrache Co after his two brothers Isaac and Benjamin. Solomon Marrache declined to give evidence in court, but he had already been interviewed by the police under caution. Leanne Turnbull didn't take to the witness stand either. The Crown's evidence against her, therefore, is essentially unchallenged. He stated there's email evidence of her telling untruths to clients, abusing their trust. Referring to Ms. Turnbull's subsequent concern, Mr. McGuinness said, "A worried conspirator is still a conspirator." Having started in early October, the prosecution closed its case today. They asked the court to return a verdict of guilty for all 4 defendants on both accounts of conspiracy to defraud.